What is IO redirection? IO means input, output. Input, output. I have a command. I want to give input to a command. So like this. This is input redirection. Okay, so input file. So this is a input redirection. This is example cat from file 1. This is also a input redirection. Okay, IO redirection. Redirect your input or output input redirection. Output redirection. Okay, input redirection is you are giving input to the command. Output redirection means you put a command, it generates output. I want to redirect that output to a file. You put a command, it generates output. You redirect output to a file. Okay, to a output file. Okay, you put a command. The command output is going to output file. Example, when I put a date command, it generated date output. When you put a date greater a file name, for example df1, date output is going to that file. Okay, next here always remember the greater is replace existing file content. Create a file or replace existing file content. It creates file or replace existing file content. For example, calendar output double greater df1. So it is a double greater I am using. Meaning is it will create file if it is not existing or append to the existing file content. Existing file content. Okay, so this is just directly I'm telling. Okay, so this is input redirection, this is output redirection, output with a appending, output with the appending. Next one is error redirection. Error redirection. When you put a command, the command generate output or error. Okay, file not found, you're not accessible, unable to communicate. These are our errors, right? These are all errors. Error redirection. Okay, so error redirection. So we'll see that one. What is this error redirection kind of stuff? So I put a command. So I put some command slash hyphen name. I put a ping hyphen C1 or C2, whatever it is, and some IP address like a 10.0.10. Like something I put it. 2 greater EF1. Meaning is here it is 2 greater. Meaning is error. Error of the command goes to EF1 file. Okay, error redirection. It will generate some error. For example, it generate error. The error is going to the file. Okay. So this is error redirection. Next, output and error. You want to put it in a one thing. Like I put a command. It generated both output as well as the error. It's generating both output and as well as a error. Output as well as a error. So I want to put both the things into a file. Here some points are missing. Just I will add those points again, but just for understanding basic steps. For example, same command. Okay, same command. Okay. Here I am putting a ampersand greater. Some file name. So here it is. The ampersand greater means both output and error of the command goes to what is that file name? EOF1 file. Okay. Input redirection. What is input redirection? You are giving input to the command already. Where we done that one? So here I will show you cat file name something like a h file one. Yes, we changed the thing, right? CD ls. Yeah, here it is. Cat h file one. Cat sorry. Same thing only. Only thing is here we didn't given this less than symbol. In translate we use A to Z. Okay. Capital A to capital Z. This time compulsory we given a input redirection. If you check it, our old kind of stuff, paste, cut, paste, sort. That time I told tr command. Okay, so that time we use this input redirection. Okay, guys, whatever it is, you given a command. Per command you are giving a input from the file, so that is called a input redirection. Simple. And if in case you put a command, look at this, I put a command, it's generating some output. Okay, whatever it is generating an output. For example, I put a find / in my home directory, search anything, okay, anything star file star, anything starting with file, ending with the after file something, anything. So sorry, mistake. These are the files. It is displaying so many file related. Before file anything can be there, after file it can be anything, and it is search into everything and it is displaying H file, S file, G file, F file, file 1, 2, 3, 4, file 1, 2, 3, like this. It is displaying, including bash profile kind of stuff also. Okay, so just like I'm searching, I searched in my home directory, no problem. I searched in my home directory, no problem. For example, I want to search for a file 1. Anything is the file 1 is there, yeah. See, file 1 is displaying. If in case I search in a entire system, I'm searching in a entire system. This is called a output, right? So it is a output. This is output. This is output. This is output. This is output. Okay. This is output. Understand, guys? Output. Now I will show you error. This is error. Permission denied. Error. See it is, these are all errors only. This is generating not only errors, also generating output. So we'll see that one. I will show you. Somewhere it will be there. So you have to check it properly. See it is file 1. So files are there here. What happened? It is blinking. Yeah. I'm not. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is error. This is output. This is output. Again, this is error. So by this command, I'm getting both error and as well as output. Understand, guys? So in a command, when you put a command, output or error. Output means successful event. Error means error event only. Permission denied, unable to communicate. Okay, you don't have permissions like this. So many errors are there, no, like that. For example, ping -c2 10 dot 10 2 anything. See this? We got an error. Sometimes successful, sometimes failures. You like that. Okay. 2 packets transmitted, 0 packets received, 100 packet lost. So this is like a output is not clear. So this is the point here, but whatever it is, I want to draw. Usually I will explain this thing by drawing only. This time I didn't start with the drawing. Guys, look at here. This is a process. Okay. To process, you give a input, right? You're giving input. Okay, this is input. This is a processor or a process, whatever the name you want to put it. This will generate output as well as an error. You can see this thing from your monitor, right? Terminal or monitor. So you think, sir, it is a monitor means this is the monitor. Okay, this is monitor. Okay, this is your desktop. This is, we call it as a monitor and all. Of course. Now we can change little bit. This is terminal. Monitor where you see the what is going on. Terminal where you work on it. Okay, both are almost like a similarly. So here it is a monitoring means this one or a terminal. You can use your terminal. Okay, word you can use also a terminal or a monitor. So I'm using a terminal word here. Monitor or a terminal. So you put input command, process it, it generate both output. You have to put little bit bigger. So then we can able to put it like this. So this is my output is generated and error also generated. So both will show on your terminal. Next. Okay, input redirection kind of stuff I'm not writing. I'm writing a from here output redirection. Okay, this is only output redirection I'm writing. You given an input. Okay. And this is a process. Here, when you given an input, you choose to give like a greater symbol. So like this, your command and a greater symbol. Actually, if I put a small letters, it is look good. So we'll put it file. Okay, this is enough. Okay, like this. Meaning is your output redirection, meaning is output is going to file. Error will display on your terminal. Remember guys, output is going to file. Error is going to terminal. Error will be displayed on your screen. Okay, error is going to display on the screen. Next one, same only, little difference is there. Same diagram, only difference is there. What is the difference? You give an input, processor process it, it generate output and error. So you are giving input, process, output, error. Okay. This is terminal. Output is generated. Output go to the file and it is going to error go to terminal. Both are same, but little difference is there. So here for a command, I put a double greater file name. This file will be append kind of stuff will happens here. Okay, the command output is append to the existing file content. So append is there. Double greater. Same concept. Only thing is reverse side. So we are giving input here. So we'll get an output. We give an input. There is an output. And there is a error possible, right? So then output and error. I want to put my error in the file. I want to put a error in the file and I want to see my output on my terminal or a monitor. Okay, so this is called to greater your file name. What happened? Error go to the file. Error go to the file. Output to go to terminal. Output go to terminal. Same diagram only, same concept, no changes. But output means the file will be little different. That's it. Concept is same. Not appending manner. So very simple concept it is. I put a output and there is an error. Right. So I put a input, process, output, terminal. This is error. Error goes to something like a trash. Even a trash is also having some space. Okay. Even the trash having some space, but this is does not contain any space. It is like a complete deletion. Delete from the recycler bin also. Okay. So symbolically we are putting a trash, but does not store anywhere. It does not store anything. So here it is what I am doing. I am putting a command, but I don't want that error to be in a terminal or a some file. Just I want to remove that error. I don't want error. I only want to see the output. So for that one, we put like this: /dev/null, /dev/null. Next. This is input, this is output, this is error. Given input, this is an output, this is error. Okay, what I'm doing is your command ampersand greater file name. So what will happen? Your output and error both will go to file only. Both will go to file only. Same concept, location change. That's it. Only the same concept, little location change. So what is that location change kind of stuff? Your output and error. Both I will put it in a trash. Okay. Don't think it is a glass. Think like it is a trash kind of stuff. I want to execute a command for certain script, but I don't want to save or see an output. I don't want anything. Just I want to execute. If it is successful, do like this. If it's not successful, do like that. So I want to generate. I want to execute a command. That's it. I don't want output or I don't want error. So that is like a trash. Originally, it is not a trash. It's like it never be existed. Data is not there. Normally, trash means recycler bin. Normally, trash means recycler bin. Recycler bins store the data, but here it is never stores, never store anything. It's like it's gone forever, like a black hole type. Okay, next. We'll do it practically, so don't worry, don't sleep. Command 2 ampersand greater 1. I think this is the one last one, so we'll check it once more. Okay, my mistake. 2 greater ampersand 1. Okay, so this is your error and output. Both will be go to file in append mode. In append mode. So your process, this is output, this is error. Both go to file in append mode. Okay, so these are the output redirections. Input redirection, already I given example. Let's go with that one only. So we can give an input to the file. Okay, process it and output on a terminal. So that's the thing. What important is your output redirection. Look at here, normal process. You put a command. Output and error both show on the screen. For example, I put a command date. This is showing a output, not error. This is showing a output. For example, date single greater. df1 is already there. I'm going to df2. So look at here, cat df2. See, it contains the data. Next, cal greater df2. Now cat df2. What happened? This file contains the data. The data is removed. Data is removed and replaced with okay, this is the file data, df2 data content. It is replaced by this calendar output, replaced with the calendar output. So this is your input redirection, or a input redirection replace the data content. So when you are redirecting like this, does not generating any output, just what are the output of the file, output of the command is go inside into this file. Okay, so this is simple redirection. So currently df2 contains this data, right? So I removed it. Okay, now cal double greater df2, what will happen? It contains my previous data and a current data also. For example, I put a echo, hello, this is IO redirection, double greater df2. It is, this line is also there. So double greater is always is a append to the existing file content. So most frequently used like this. This is more important. Okay, why? Because of you are not sure about something, so better to give double greater. So it won't delete the data in the file. It just add another line into the file. Okay, so be careful when you are doing with Linux also. Okay, echo. This is about your single greater and double greater. I will show you other things also, so don't worry. Yes, tell me. Do you understand single greater, double greater? Yes. Output redirection. Okay. Yeah, history. We'll take it from here. No, already I've written here, so no problem. This is an example for input redirection. This is waste. Very useful for this practice is find command, as it generate output. So this is output redirection. Output go to file. You can easily understand by doing practice. Again, I'm going to this kind of stuff. Okay, so this thing, because of location, changes will occur. Okay, so find slash hyphen name file1. Try to find where is the file1. So I'm press enter. It's generating lot of lines. Some may have a output, some are not output, some are having error. It's generating both output and as well as a error also. So I'm trying to figure it out where is the output. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, error. So first line, second line, third line onwards, you have an output. Now what I'm trying to do is same command, simple greater. Okay, so output redirection OF1, single greater OF1 is not yet created, so no problem. Okay, it generates something on screen, but look at here, all are errors only, permission denied only, it is there. So where it is? Yeah, here it is. See it is. Where is the file? Okay, it is not showing any output on the screen. Not showing any output on the screen. Where is output? In OF1. Output went to the file. Error is showing on the screen. Okay, the output, the command generating both output and as well as an error. So I can't able to copy that. I don't want to copy entire kind of stuff. So try. It's a slash. I use student, not root. Root will don't give you errors, right? So as a student 17A, you can use any normal user. Try this command. This command first. So it will generate output as well as a error. And what it will happen? Output go to OF1. Error is going to on a screen. Errors goes on screen, or we can say terminal. OF1 contains error. Sorry, output. Or otherwise you can go to output inside of output goes to OF1 file. Okay, so like this. Next, single greater is what a single greater means. Create or a replace existing. I put another command, find slash hyphen name fast wd. Fast wd. Okay, see it is same thing. It is generating errors and also it is generating output. Means output and errors you can able to see it. So it's very big output. Okay, see it is. So where is this past WD files? Okay, RR errors. Where is slash etc? Can find it. Will be there now. So yes are also there. etc. See it is output. So these two lines are output. There is a totally 5 lines are there. So you have to search properly. See, this is another 2 lines. Okay, another 2 lines. This is output. Okay, this is output. This is output. Okay, so like this is errors. Now what I want to do is the output of this file, output of this command. Output of this command. I want to put it in a OF1 file, append. So if I want to do append, then single greater or double greater, a number 2 greater. So double greater. So output of this file append to the OF1 file. Error is showing on a screen. Output go to that file. Okay, so these are all errors. Errors are showing on my screen. Output go to the file in a append manner. So cat OF1 file. See it is. This is the output of previous command. This is the output of this particular command. Output of this particular command. So this is append to the existing one. Error is showing on the screen. Next, same command, same thing, only little different. You know the output kind of stuff. I put like this. I want to save errors in the file, output on the screen. Output will show on the screen. Errors go to F1 file. Error go to F1 file. See it's generating output on my screen, not errors. The errors are went to F1 file. See, these are all errors only. Output won't be there here. Like this. Okay. Error go to the file, output on the screen. If in case I don't want this output, sorry, I want to see the output, I don't require a errors to see. /dev/null. Output are showing, but you want to see the error. Can't see because once you put in null, it is null, 0. Nothing is there. Okay. Next. You want to put a both output and error in a particular file. So I put a error output file 1. Anything you can put. So it is done. Error and output both are went to file only. So you can see less EOF1. It is showing some errors. You have to search for any outputs are there inside. It will be somewhere. 1 second. I am trying to find where is etc. See, it is under etc. These files are there. Under this. No. USR. Okay. Yeah. These two lines are there. Okay. Okay. So these are all files are located. Cube. Less means smaller, right? So that's why we can easily. Okay. Guys, this is about your redirections. So what is that redirection kind of stuff? So whenever you give a command, it generates output or error or both. Whenever you given a command, the command generate output or error or both. When it is generating whatever it is, I want to keep the output into a file. Output redirection. Output redirection means either single greater or double greater. Double greater means append to the existing file content. So in output redirection, error shows on the screen. Error shows on the screen. Output go to the file. Next, error redirection. You want to redirect error to a file. You want to redirect error to a file and output on the screen. That is number 2 greater. That is a number 2 greater. You don't want any error to store. You want to put it in a trash. So you can use like this. You want to store error and as well as a data means total outcome, both error and output. You want to put in a file. So that is lot of usefulness is also there. So for example, so this ampersand, I'll give one script like a ping -c1. So 192.168.1.1, that is successful ping, right? This is successful ping. Now I don't want any output of this one. So I put a ampersand greater /dev/null. It's not generating any output and it is not there anywhere. So people put like this. Echo success is showing failed. Yeah, I done mistake here. I have to put a 2 ampersand. Reverse order I given. 2 pipes. Success. Okay. You are changing like 2 success. I put a 2 here. Success without checking. No. Without checking, it is coming success. No. Yeah, failed now. It is failed. It's trying. Failed. So like this. This is kind of script type. I need to get output like this. So I don't want any output generated. This successfully executed, do like this. Successfully not executed, do like this. This is the meaning. This is logical AND operation. This is AND gate symbol. 5 OR gate. So this is the input output redirection. Guys, understand input output IO redirection. Guys, understand IO redirection.
Yes.
Single greater, double greater, number 2 greater. So only thing single, double, number 2, ampersand. At least remember these things. Okay. Output go to file. Output go to file in append mode. Okay. Append to the existing file. Error go to the file. Error and output go to the file. Very simple. Okay. Of course, I can't put anything in the description, guys. So why? Because of this greater and